Hey everyone, let's talk about something every business owner feels. There just are not enough hours in the day. But what if you could build yourself a powerful AI assistant to handle all that busy work? And get this, without writing a single line of code. Yep, no programming required. Let's get into it. You know the drill, right? You're constantly answering the same questions. What are your hours? Do you ship to my city? What's the return policy? Each question seems small, but when you add them all up, they are literally eating away hours of your week. Okay, so just imagine having a team member who works around the clock, never gets tired, and gives your customers perfect, instant answers every single time. Well, that's not some far-off sci-fi dream anymore. The solution is here, and it is shockingly easy to set up.
What we're talking about here are no-code AI chatbots. And trust me, these are absolute game changers, not just for customer support, but for automating all kinds of things that slow you down.
So what exactly is a no-code chatbot builder anyway? Honestly, think of it like building with Legos instead of trying to be a master architect. It's a visual toolkit that lets you design a smart conversational AI just by pointing, clicking, and typing in plain English.
And the payoff here is immediate. You're saving so much time on those repetitive tasks. You're saving money you'd otherwise spend on custom development. And you're actually improving your customer service with instant 24/7 support. It's a total win-win-win. But here's the best part. Getting started is so incredibly simple. You don't need some complex, month-long project plan. In fact, you can break the entire thing down into just 3 easy, memorable steps.
The whole framework is this simple. 1, you pick your tool. 2, you train it using info you already have lying around. And 3, you pop it onto your website with a simple copy and paste. That's it. This is your blueprint for getting a live AI assistant up and running, maybe even in a single day.
Let's zoom in on that training step for a sec, because this is where the real magic happens. You don't have to write a bunch of answers from scratch. Nope. You just give the AI your existing stuff. Your website's FAQ page, maybe some product manuals, help articles, and boom, it instantly becomes an expert on your business. Okay, theory is great, but let's see what this actually looks like. To make it real, we're going to peek inside a really popular tool called Zapier. It's super beginner-friendly, which makes it the perfect example for us to walk through. When you first open up Zapier to build a bot, the very first screen you'll see is for instructions. This is where you give the bot its personality. You just write something simple, like, "You are Chip, the friendly and helpful support assistant for the Kevin Cookie Company. You love cheesy puns." Right, next up, you click over to the Knowledge tab. This part is so important. This is how you make sure your chatbot gives accurate answers that are actually about your business, so it doesn't just start making things up. You're basically grounding it in reality. You can just paste in a link to your website, upload files like PDFs, or even connect a simple database. And here's a really cool feature. You can tell it to automatically recheck that info every day or every week, so its knowledge is always fresh and up to date. And this right here is the heart of no code. On your end, the back end, you're just working with simple forms and upload buttons. But what your customer sees on the front end is this sleek, professional chat window that makes your business look awesome. But listen, just answering questions, that's only the beginning. The real power, the thing that turns your chatbot from a simple helper into a true business engine, is connecting it to all the other tools you already use every day. And this is where it gets really, really interesting. Take a look at how businesses are actually using these things. Yeah, customer support is about half the story, but look at the other half. It's all about growth, getting new leads, driving sales, and even helping out your own team with HR and IT stuff. The possibilities are huge. So inside Zapier, there's this Integrations tab. This is where you can connect your bot to thousands of apps you probably already use, like Slack or Shopify or Gmail. This is what turns your chatbot from just an answering machine into an active member of your team. So what does that actually mean? It means your chatbot doesn't just talk, it acts. A customer has a tricky problem, the bot automatically creates a support ticket. A new lead seems really interested, the bot adds them right into your CRM. It's not just a chatbot anymore, it's an automated workflow engine.
So, we've covered the what, the why, and the how. It's pretty clear this stuff is powerful and, more importantly, it's accessible. As we wrap up, what's the one thing you really need to take away from all this?
If you remember just one thing, let it be this simple 3-step journey. This kind of tech is no longer locked away for giant companies with huge teams of developers. It is now open to everyone. It's ready to be put to work for your business, right now.
And one last really crucial tip. As you're building this, always think about responsibility. Be open with your customers about how their data is used, and make sure you pick a platform that takes security seriously. Trust is everything.
So that leaves us with one final exciting question. The tools are here. The process is simple. Your 24/7 assistant is basically just waiting for its first assignment. The only question left is, what are you going to teach it to do first?